Hello beautiful people, welcome to my kitchen creations. If you're new here, I'm so glad you stopped by, and if you're already part of the family, welcome home. Today in the kitchen we're making a delicious batch of breakfast enchiladas that is packed with flavor, and it's perfect to starting your day off the right way. So grab a seat, get comfortable, and let's get cooking. Over medium heat in a large skillet, add your breakfast sausage, and we're going to start by cooking our sausage until it is no longer pink. Now while our sausage is cooking, we're going to give our potatoes a head start by adding them to some water and boil them and cook for about 8 to 10 minutes. Once your potatoes are fork tender, go ahead and drain the water. Once your sausage is done cooking, go ahead and place it into a bowl. Add your butter to the skillet over medium heat and your oil. Then add your potatoes. Season with some Creole seasoning. Garlic powder, black pepper, and paprika. Give it a stir. And we're going to fry our potatoes until they have a nice golden brown color. After your potatoes are done cooking, go in with your diced onion to cook this for another 3 to 5 minutes. After 3 minutes, after our onions are translucent, return your sausage back to the skillet and give it a good stir and make sure everything is well combined. Once you're done mixing all of that, go ahead and turn off the heat and set it aside. So we can't have breakfast enchiladas without the eggs. So in a small bowl, go ahead and crack your eggs. Add some milk, black pepper, and some salt. Give it a good whisk. Over medium heat in a medium skillet, add some butter and some avocado oil, which is non-stick. Add your eggs and give it a good stir, and continue stirring until you have some scrambled eggs. Once your scrambled eggs are done, go ahead and turn off the heat and set it aside. Now it's time to put our enchiladas together. I like to use corn tortillas because I feel like they hold better. You can also use flour tortillas for these. So what I like to do before adding anything to my tortillas, I like to add a little bit of oil. And I'm going to place this in the microwave for about a minute until they are softened. After a minute, my tortillas are ready and they are soft enough to be rolled. Now to put our enchiladas together, put your breakfast potatoes and sausage, add some eggs and some cheese. Now give it a good roll and place it into a 9x13 dish. And continue the same process for the rest. This is how they are looking after I am done rolling them up. Now what I like to do is make a homemade gravy to go with it. Now in a small pot over medium heat, add your butter, add your flour, give that a good whisk. And we're just going to cook that flour for a few minutes. After 4 minutes, slowly pour in your milk. And make sure that you keep whisking until there is no lump We want this to be a smooth gravy. After you're done adding the milk, go in with some black pepper and your chicken bouillon. Keep whisking. Once your gravy has thickened, give it a taste to see if it needs any additional seasoning. I like to add a little bit of garlic powder and a little bit of salt. Give that a whisk. Once your gravy is done, pour it over your enchiladas. And top it off with some cheese. Then cover it with some tin foil. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees and bake for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, go in and remove the tin foil and set your oven to boil for another 3 to 5 minutes. Hello guys, so my breakfast enchiladas are done and it looks so delicious and I cannot wait to enjoy it. Oh. These enchiladas are so delicious, guys. Go ahead and give them a try and come back and let me know how you like them. Thank you so much for cooking with me today, and I'll catch you guys later.